again?
I think we'll have to call that lunch.
Is it lunch?
Well, 5 to wash out.
Okay. I've just literally got the dowel back. It obviously all comes out in bits. Yeah. I've got the dowel in, so I'm then going to take the nut off again and put the underside washer and rubber on, and then this corner.
Not technically Lancaster there, this is Mosquito.
Mosquito, oh I see.
Had to get someone going, I do believe.
In grease and gunk and some are rusty, and
Yeah.
you see the special resistance of the filter.
Once we've got all them in bits cleaned up, we then check the...
This is the... Oh, this is...
That's the Magneto.
This goes in the
Magneto.
top of the Magneto. So, and if you, I don't know what you can see on the end, each plug position is marked, so that's A14.
Yeah.
That's B1, that's a bit mangled, that one. A11.
So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Are they either side of the engine?
This feeds the inner banks, both inner banks.
Yeah.
Got the inlet, goes down the middle and branches off like that.
Yeah.
Then the exhaust one is on the other side, and that splits into 2 of these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And goes up, on the outside. So that's the trickier one to get off.
Yeah.
But
this is virtually Rolls-Royce standard then, is it?
Oh, it is, yeah.
Yeah.
But
Until we got hold of it.
but as you said, as you rightly said, each Magneto feeds half a side, so that if you lose one, you've still got you should have one plug per cylinder still working.
Yeah.
But yeah, we line up whichever one of those with each one of those, and we check the resistance.
And there shouldn't be any resistance, should they?
We're allowed up to, what's it, 4.5 ohms? Yeah. But on the number one engine, we actually found that one of them hadn't been sparking at all, because one of these underneath there's a spring, and the spring was really rusty.
Oh yeah.
So we had to take it apart and replace it. And it worked
so
fine.
there's not going to be any tension on it?
No, nothing.
Just rust was causing nearly an open circuit.
These props are off the starboard engine of the Mosquito. They're going away for servicing and hope to be back before the 1st of August when they are holding a Mosquito Experience Day here at Lincolnshire Aviation Heritage Centre.
We changed one, we changed that one, and we're putting it all back together, and this one did the same thing, so we've now got to change this one.
Oh.
Which we hadn't bargained on. It's not an unknown thing for Merlins to do. They strip the threads at the bottom of the pedestal. The pedestal that holds where your cam assembly is, you've got 2 studs.
Is it at the drive end?
Yeah, and they work loose. And it's done it on both banks.
Didn't you notice that before then? Or?
Well, yeah, that's why I changed it.
Oh.
Yeah, we're doing the inspection, and I looked at it and went, it's not right.
Yeah.
Pulled the cam off, and the stud came with it. Go, right, we'll change that.
What do they do? Retap it and put a plug in?
There's an official Rolls repair, which is you drill and then put an insert in.
Yeah.
Because the studs themselves are, I think it's a 3 thou oversized fit. So you actually heat the block up, drive your stud in, and then it cools and it sets.
And they put the inserts in?
It's going to Morris, going to Morris Hammond.
Yeah.
I don't know. I have seen the repair scheme, but it was only a glance.
Oh, it's a shame, isn't it?
Well, it'll run a lot because if you continue to run them like that, they'll snap the camshaft.
Have you completed the other side then?
Yeah, we put the block on the other side.
Yeah.
The cam's in. We need to time it, but we're going to time both together. But what was happening was, Neville, Brad was doing this side yesterday and went to put the cam on and noticed when he was starting to tighten the nut, nuts up, one of them didn't feel right, so took the cam back off. The DP came and inspected it, put the special tool onto the stud in question and checked it, and it went about 3/4 of a turn and then locked. So I thought, okay, let's give it a go. Brad put the cam back on and tightened the nut down to torque, and it just didn't feel right, so it's just been made right, okay. Gonna have to do the same with that, so the rest you know.
Yeah.
Take it in, Brad. Right there, Brad. Lower this thing.
How long does it take you to change your block then?
Well, if it all goes according to plan, we should have it done today, shouldn't we, Brad?
Oh, really?
If it all goes according to plan.
This is where we take the block off and it's got piston seated in on the board.
Yeah, you know, but bearing in mind that not much so far has gone according to plan.
No.
We've found other problems.
Does that include putting the cam back on and that?
Well, oh yeah. But the problem is that it's a 70-year-old engine. The history of it's a bit clouded, Brad.
That's the right word.
Yes. And we as we've been going along, we keep finding stuff that we've had to fix, replace, repair.
Yeah.
It's all been, I should point out, it has all been perfectly safe
Yes,
to run.
yes.
Otherwise we wouldn't have run it. But it's just, while we've had a bit of time, we just,
Yeah.
No, that isn't right. We need to get that better. That kind of thing, wouldn't it, Brad?
Yeah.
You know, not, as Brad says, nothing was unsafe, but stuff that wasn't really up to required standard, Brad.
Yeah.
We wanted it to be better than it was.
Unfortunately, they were unable to get it ready for the Mosquito experience, which was on the Saturday. It is now the following Tuesday and the 4th of August 2020, and they've got all the things, they've got the props built up and on, and they are now getting the engine ready. Perhaps later on today they may go for an engine test.
But the blocks on it now are off that engine which was preserved.
Yeah.
So obviously you've got the same problem again.
To which you've just come off this one.
Yeah. Don't ask me which one's which.
So those are the two studs.
I think it was.
He said it was at the drive end when I asked him.
Yeah, it's another one on this one. It's a different one on this. It might be the other one. There you go. That was the problem. So that's the camshaft pedestal bolts.
Yeah.
Well, studs and nuts. So
Yeah, they're both loose.
Not just pull out. Look,
Oh, they're just. Are they just
That's
knurled
that's-
at the end, are they?
No, that's the thread that's
Oh,
stripped.
that's the thread.
That's what's pulled out. Look.
On the back of the diaphragm to hold that.
Oh, you can see it peeling off there. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So it's just pulled out. So somebody's over torqued it.
So
Probably.
that is over damage. Has that damaged the? Oh, it has. It stripped the threads on the inside of the book.
that was the thread.
Yeah.
There. That's out of there. That should be in there. So yeah, and that was the same. So they've over torqued it basically. So somebody hasn't either had the manual when they rebuilt it and just tightened them up. And I can't remember which one's gone on that one, mounted on there.
Yeah.
So get up on the other ladder, and poke all the holes in the rocker pads. Yeah.
This Mosquito is not an airworthy Mosquito, it will never fly. The engines are for taxiing and static running only, not airworthy engines.
Yeah.
The Mosquito is now ready to come out. They're just clearing away in the hangar. As long as it goes under the wings, everything will be okay.
With everything rebuilt and put back on the starboard engine, it is now ready for a test. I'll bring you the test in the next video. Thanks for watching.